Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new video Cardano update right now, and it's not as exciting right now because of the XRP and the Dogecoin and stuff like that. So I think people are not talking that much about it, but it's going up, and I'm telling you, people are gonna start talking about it once it gets out of this this wedge. Before we get to that, like, I want to say thank you everybody for subscribing. We got like 700 subscribers yesterday. That's like new record. So thank you for subscribing. That's it. Let's see what's actually happening with Cardano, man. Let's see what's actually happening with Cardano. So we basically want to get out of this triangle, not triangle, this wedge up here. And you can see here it was a big dump yesterday, and I just said in my XRP video as well that this dump did, a lot of coins did the exact same thing, and we are talking about this on the Patreon, in the Patreon daily video, that this wick over here went exactly at the 10 moving average and then bounced up. And a lot of coins, and we know a lot of coins because we do 50 coins every single day on the Patreon, a lot of coins did exact same thing, went down to the 10 moving average and bounced back up again. And this was very bullish because this resistance up here at what's that, at 137, our support held. So we are very, very good. So I don't think we are actually getting into these levels again. 131, that was previous resistance, as you guys know, that we had broken. We had retested now as a support. The 10 moving average is above the 131, so there is no reason why we should be getting there. I mean, there's a possibility, but there is no reason. Right now the resistance should be 137, and we are looking to hold 137. So let me explain to you guys that haven't been here before. We've been doing Cardano forever now, and basically in the first stages we were in this triangle over here, right? We came from upside and we went into this triangle. Once the triangle was finished, it got out of the triangle, we created this rising wedge. Rising wedges had a big probability to break on the downside than on the upside, but since this is a bull market, it's gonna break on the upside just as everything else. And I think this is also throwing a lot of people off, because people then don't understand that technical analysis that well as we do. They take things too literally. Like, they see a rising wedge and they think, yeah, we have to break on the downside because probability is on the downside, and there's less probability to break on the upside. And that's not true. We are in bullish, we are in bull market, one of the most bullish market ever. Probability is on upside, not on the downside. You have to take into account the market psychology of the asset where it's in, right? So if the market entirely is bullish, it doesn't matter if it's a rising wedge, falling wedge, a symmetrical, ascending or descending triangle. You always have to take into account what kind of market psychology is thinking about the market. If it's ultimately bullish, it will break all trends. You know, it will break all patterns, it will break all laws and rules and everything people think about it, because it will just be moving so much higher up. So this is ultimately very bullish, because I've seen other coins do the same thing. And once this break on the upside up here above this rising wedge, because right now it's going slowly inside this rising wedge, it's going slowly, but once it breaks, it's gonna pick up the speed, it's gonna go faster. And you can take my word for it. If it goes up, it's gonna go faster, because you're not gonna do that and I just continue like up like this. No, it's gonna do that, and then it's gonna continue faster on the upside, because coins do that usually. So our target right now we are looking for in this first move is the 190 target. The target comes from the triangle that we had before, the distance of course, and that's what we are looking for. So how is Cardano looking actually today? It's looking very good. It's looking very good. Like yesterday I told you guys during the dump, that was the buy day. Yesterday was buy day, today is celebrate day, because in the bull market when something dips you buy, in the bear market when something dips you don't buy, because it just keeps on dipping. This is bull market, so we buy the red days. So red day went all the way the 10 moving average, got bought right back up, and today is a green candle. So what we have now right here is a resistance up here at the top, that I can draw for you. There's a resistance up at the top. We are rising up. We want to break this resistance and retest this. We want to break this resistance. We want to retest this wedge up here and probably break out of the wedge at one point. And I don't think we're gonna go all the way up here. I think maybe even There's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, maybe somewhere next week or there, maybe close at the ending of next week we might actually close it. It just depends how long this move is gonna take, you know. So you know, moves and time frames when something is gonna happen, it's kind of difficult to know, but we know that we are bullish or bearish. Right now we are super bullish on Cardano, and we are just seeing how it's gonna pan out. Let's look at some kind of indicators and what they are telling us. Did they change? Still MACD is still bullish, sitting at 64 on the daily, which is very nice. This is rubber band index, and the rubber band index, basically you don't want to stretch the rubber band like over here, because then it has to get back. You know, you can stretch it and it slowly kind of goes on sideways or down to pull the back index. Right now sitting at 64, so as long as we are not above some 85 levels or something like that. Here it popped at 90 levels, 90. So as long as we are below like 90 or something like that, all good on the daily. And the weekly is the very important one. Weekly is, wait, what did I see on the monthly chart? Oh, look what we have on the monthly chart. Look what we have on the monthly chart. I did not see this before. Do you see this? Do you see this? I'm gonna show you what I see on the monthly chart. It's not that important because I don't think we're getting to these levels, but it's very important. So this this top over here, when it's changed to the red, this created a very important support line. This support line sitting 131. This is monthly. I wasn't even aware of this. This is monthly. That's why that, yeah, maybe I was aware of it, because it's actually over here on the weekly as well. So weekly and monthly is actually the same. That's why I say this 131 line that we removed earlier in the video, very important line, very important. Anyways, this week we want to close above this level up here, 131. If we do that, we're super bullish. Right now we're sitting on the 10 moving average on the weekly, super bullish. Sitting at 81 on the weekly on the rubber band, they're super bullish. MACD getting to be green again, super bullish. I just don't see how this can fail. I don't see how, if Bitcoin doesn't fail, this won't fail. You know, that's how bullish I am on this. That said, if you like altcoins and not just Cardano, so check out the Patreon page, man. A lot of good stuff, like 50 altcoins every single day, half an hour to 1 hour videos, daily videos on that. If you have trouble picking coins, that might be something you want to check out. Also check out Telegram. Like people are talking right now about XRP and BTT and chilies and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, once this out of the wedge, everybody on Telegram gonna go crazy about Cardano again. That said, subscribe to the channel. 700 subs yesterday. Thanks guys, thanks for everybody that's been subbing. It's been nice. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get to the level of Coins Kid, but he's kind of moving away from me. So you know, so you gotta sub so we can catch him up. Like we are at 10k, he's at 40k, but we started at 5k, both of us. You know, so I'm trying to catch him up, but he's just too good, man. He's just too good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.